Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes CL550, the W216. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can remove your front grille. And the tools that you're going to be needing today is a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Now that the bolts are out of the way, there's a few tabbings on the bottom side of the grille, but we're going to pull the grille forward slowly and wiggle it right out. Installation is also pretty easy. You just got to align the tabbing to the grille, pull the grille towards the bumper, and once these clips latch into place, we're going to reinstall the 4 bolts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.